This is my newest toy and I absolutely love it already. I am rebuilding that bus, and because it is a rebuild, there's lots of little tight, squirrely, funky angles where it just seems like it's impossible to get to some of the items. So I had another little angle attachment and somebody stole it. So I needed to get another one, and I found this Dewalt one. I thought, okay, I'll try it out. Well, it's awesome, y'all. First of all, instead of just having an angle attachment, I get an angle attachment with a handle, which is great when you need to really hold something steady in a funky little spot, right? So this is the angle piece, slides right in there, right? And you can do a right angle. But what if you've got like an extra weird spot that you can just barely get to? Well, they have this one. So you take the handle off, you've just got this piece. It goes right in there. Now you've got a longer spot, and you've got a hand grip right here to hold it in place. But if you've got something, like I've got this one spot I'm working on the bus, and it's a long, narrow strip, and I know that it's going to take a lot of finagling for me to get down to that spot to really get those screws into place. So, voila. Look at that. Look at this. It bends around. It's Dewalt, so you know it's good, high quality. Okay, this has a little catch right there. Push that in, push this up. Now, this will slide right into place and latch. Now, you can hold on to it. You've got this extra long piece here. Right? You can move it around, put it however you need to. Look at how steady that is. Even without me even really holding it very well, that's pretty darn steady, isn't it? Okay, that's my fault. Look at that. So, I am going to be using this a lot. I'm very, very happy with it. This is it. 4-in-1, versatile use, command tight spaces.